Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Ross Macfarlane and I am an online entrepreneur. I got started in the online space with not a single clue what I was doing way back in 2018. Now I've had some moderate success online in my journey so far. I've managed to build up a healthy email list. I've also managed to go on and generate over 5-figure months using affiliate marketing strategies, promoting high ticket products, and I've done a whole lot more. Now, the reason I wanted to start this channel is because I wanted to share all my knowledge that I have learned along the way so far, which has mostly been using paid advertising. Google AdWords to be more specific. I've done this through YouTube in-stream advertising. Now, I've dabbled in a couple of other traffic sources, but that's been my main traffic source for the past 18 months. I know a ton of stuff about email marketing, direct email response, how to find your ideal client for your business, how to construct a winning YouTube ad, build profitable campaigns on Google AdWords, and a whole lot more. And I'm going to be sharing all of that knowledge that I've learned so far on this channel with you so that you can use it to hopefully get started with your online business or affiliate marketing business. Now that being said, here's where things start to get interesting. I have just started to embark on a journey of learning a whole load of other ways on how to make money online by transitioning into other traffic sources, other products and other offers and stuff like that. Now I have absolutely no idea where this is going to take me, but I hope that you can come along and join me for the ride. I'm going to be learning lots of different ways on how to make money online, and I'm going to be doing it like using free marketing strategies or using things like getting signed up to affiliate networks and a whole load of other ways that I'm going to be learning and sharing with you along the way. This channel is going to be dedicated to me sharing all my tips, tricks and online hacks that I've learned so far, but it's also going to be an adventure or even a journey of discovery on me finding new ways on how I can make money online and how that you can too. And I'm also going to be sharing all my wins and all my losses along the way. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, introduce yourself by commenting below on this video or any future videos that I post. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you on my channel.